My name is Todd Baker. I was born and raised in Plantation, Florida, where I lived most of my life until relocating with my family to Delray Beach. I have a wife and 2 kids. I've been a practicing attorney for over 11 years. I started my career as a prosecutor in and for Broward County, and then I became a plaintiff's attorney, and I've been doing that for the last 8 years. I knew I wanted to be a lawyer. My favorite show when I was a kid watching with my dad was Law & Order, and I always loved all the clips of the prosecutors working with law enforcement and trying to make the lives of victims and the community safer. So that was always something I loved. I also had family friends that were attorneys and judges that let me go watch trials, and it just something about being in the courtroom, talking to people, advocating and fighting for justice really struck a chord with me, and I always wanted to do that since I was a young kid. I think what makes me good at being a plaintiff's personal injury attorney is when a client's talking to me about what happened to them, I imagine if it was my wife or my kids or my family, and I listen to their pain, their suffering, their aggravation, inconvenience, their injuries, and everything they're going through and potentially going to go through down the road. And I like to think, what would I want for my family? What would be fair for them? And I try to treat all my clients in the same way, and I think that's what makes me good in this part of the profession. I truly enjoy being a plaintiff's personal injury attorney because I genuinely enjoy helping people. The clients that come to me have sometimes experienced the worst thing they've ever experienced in life. A horrible car crash. It's affecting their everyday life, their job, their family, how they enjoy their life and what they go through. And for me, I do this because I want to help them. I can't put them in a time machine and take them back to before the crash or the fall or the incident that brought them and me together. But what I can do is try to make them whole by getting money from somebody who caused this problem. So the why is my clients. I do it for them.